In recent years, there has been a noticeable increase in demand for fully electric vehicles. Volvo, keeping pace with this trend, is adapting to meet the new consumer needs. Volvo is pioneering an unprecedented project. This time, it's about launching the smallest SUV ever introduced by the brand to date. This compact model, the Volvo EX-30 for the year 2024, promises to deliver the expansive experience of a large SUV. The Swedish company, known for its reliability in the automotive sector, seeks to innovate to stay current in a dynamic market. With this launch, Volvo reaffirms its commitment to innovation and adapting to changes in the automotive market. Towards electrification, Volvo has committed to putting 1 million electric vehicles on the roads by 2025. This number will represent 50% of its total sales. Aiming to become an exclusively electric car brand by 2030, the company is dedicated to this path. In the process of reaching this goal, Volvo introduced the EX-30, a fully electric SUV and likely the smallest on the market. Despite its reduced dimensions, it surprises with its power. Many wonder if such a compact vehicle can be strong, but Volvo ensures that the EX-30 is potent. Jim Rowan, CEO of Volvo, described the EX-30 as a small yet powerful model. The company is confident that this launch will make a significant difference. Recently, Volvo added the EX-30 to its portfolio of electric vehicles, staying true to its commitment to electrification. This electric SUV is the smallest ever launched by the brand. Measuring just 4 meters and 20 centimeters in length, 1 meter and 50 in height, and 1 meter and 80 in width, it is more compact than the XC40 and C40 models. This feature is notable, considering that both the XC40 and the C40 are also subcompact electric SUVs. The design of the EX-30 follows Volvo's minimalist line. The model resembles its larger sibling, the EX-90. It comes with the iconic Thor's hammer headlights, now with a more digital design. The car has a robust stance, a long wheelbase, and balanced proportions, giving it an athletic look. The EX-30 is expected to be offered in 5 colors, including a vibrant moss yellow, inspired by the lichen on Swedish rocks. Innovation and comfort. Volvo introduces the EX-30, an innovative vehicle with 2 drivetrain alternatives and 3 battery types. The first alternative offers rear-wheel drive with a single motor. It includes an LFP battery, capable of generating 268 horsepower and 253 pounds-feet of torque. This configuration allows for a range of up to 212 miles, equivalent to 340 kilometers, on a full charge. For those seeking a longer range, there is the extended range model. Maintaining rear-wheel drive in the motor, this version has a larger NMC battery, extending the range to 298 miles, or 480 kilometers. The all-wheel drive option with dual motors, known as the twin-motor performance, impresses. It generates 422 horsepower and 400 pounds-feet of torque. This model stands out as the fastest ever produced by Volvo, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.5 seconds. Charging the EX-30 is efficient, ranging from 10 to 80% in just 25 minutes. The vehicle offers flexibility in charging, allowing drivers to set schedules, amperage, and maximum charge level. These settings are accessible both from the car's display center and through an app. The interior of the EX-30 is minimalist and orderly, reminiscent of Tesla's style but with a more organized layout. Volvo innovated by removing conventional stereo speakers from the doors, resulting in enlarged door pockets. However, the sound system does not disappoint, with a soundbar composed of 7 speakers on the dashboard. Unlike most, the vehicle does not have a conventional instrument panel behind the steering wheel. Instead, a 12.3-inch touchscreen centralizes display and entertainment functions. This screen displays driving information, vehicle settings, and entertainment options. With Google's updated Android operating system and 5G connectivity, it also includes wireless Apple CarPlay. Volvo managed to optimize the interior space of the EX-30, ensuring comfort for its passengers, even in a car of reduced dimensions. Space and sustainability in the EX-30. Inside Volvo's EX-30, there is a practical storage space between the front seats. This space includes a spot for smartphones and a removable box in the central console. This box has retractable cup holders, and there are spaces for items for both front and rear passengers. Although the cargo space is modest, with approximately 400 liters behind the seats, Volvo compensates with several small compartments in the cabin. The cabin's materials are of high quality, ranging from recycled denim to wool blends. Customers can choose from 4 distinct interior environments, each with its own expression. Additionally, there are 5 ambient lighting options, inspired by Scandinavian landscapes. Volvo maintains its focus on safety, and the EX-30 reflects this. It is equipped with various modern driver assistance technologies, including collision prevention and door opening alert. A novelty in the EX-30 is the Advanced Parking Assistance System. This system can maneuver into different types of parking spaces, whether parallel, perpendicular, or even angled. The car identifies the spaces and takes control of the steering, brakes, and accelerator after the driver selects a space on the 3D interface. The driver merely supervises the process, with the screen displaying distances in either imperial or metric units. Another highlight is the integration with smartphones and the digital key, utilizing UWB technology. With this, drivers can unlock the car using just their cell phones. Additionally, a dedicated app allows for remote monitoring and management of the EX-30. The vehicle's technology also includes OTA software updates, allowing car sharing with others. Volvo focuses on sustainability in manufacturing the EX-30. 17% of the steel and plastic and 25% of the external aluminum are recycled. Inside, 30% of the plastic is recycled. Compared to Volvo's larger SUV, the EX-30 uses 30% less steel and aluminum, making it largely composed of recyclable and renewable materials. Volvo also optimized the manufacturing process, increasing the use of stamped parts. The company collaborates with suppliers committed to carbon neutrality. The production of the EX-30 will take place in a factory in China, powered mainly by climate-neutral energy. Volvo claims that the carbon footprint of the EX-30, considering production and the total life cycle, is less than 30 tons for over 200,000 kilometers traveled. This represents a reduction of 25% compared to its rechargeable C40 and XC40 models, highlighting the EX-30 as the car with the lowest carbon footprint from Volvo. Launch of the Volvo EX-30. When will we see the EX-30 on the streets?